Good evening, everyone. We often believe that our circumstances dictate our reality. We look at our external world, our job, our relationships, our challenges, and assume they are fixed. But there's a profound truth that empowers us to reshape everything. Change your thoughts, and you'll change your world. This isn't just a hopeful platitude. It's a fundamental principle of human potential and the very essence of self-mastery. The power of your inner world. Our thoughts are the architects of our reality. They are the lens through which we perceive everything, the filter that colors our experiences. If our thoughts are dominated by negativity, fear, or self-doubt, then our world will reflect that back to us. We'll see obstacles instead of opportunities, problems instead of solutions. We might even unconsciously sabotage our own efforts because our inner narrative tells us we're not capable. This is why doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will, because it starts with a thought. Conversely, when we cultivate thoughts of possibility, gratitude, and resilience, our world begins to transform. We start noticing solutions, attracting positive experiences, and finding the strength to overcome challenges. Our inner landscape directly shapes our outer landscape. From thought to action to reality. This transformation isn't magic, it's a direct causal chain. Your thoughts influence your emotions drive your actions, and your actions create your results. Thoughts shape emotions. If you think you're going to fail, you'll feel anxious or defeated. If you think you can succeed, you'll feel motivated and confident. This is where influence is the ability to drive action truly begins with an internal shift. Actions create reality. Your consistent actions, born from your thoughts and emotions, ultimately manifest as your reality. Remember, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. That consistency starts with a consistent pattern of thought. So if you want a different outcome, you must begin at the source, your mind. Practical steps to reshape your world. How do we actively change our thoughts? It's a practice, not a one-time event. Awareness. Become mindful of your dominant thoughts. Are they empowering or disempowering? Challenge negative thoughts. When a negative thought arises, question it. Is it truly factual or just a limiting belief? Replace and reframe. Actively replace negative thoughts with positive, empowering ones. Instead of, I can't do this, try, I will learn how to do this. Instead of, this is impossible, try, how can I make this possible? This is the essence of replace fear with curiosity. Feed your mind positively. Just as you nourish your body, nourish your mind with uplifting content, positive affirmations, and inspiring conversations. Take action. Even small actions can reinforce new thought patterns. When you act in alignment with your desired reality, your thoughts begin to catch up. Your world is not a fixed entity. It is a reflection of your inner state. By consciously choosing to cultivate empowering thoughts, you are not just dreaming of a better future, you are actively building it, one thought at a time. The power to transform your world lies entirely within your own mind.